How to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, let's have our link that's clickable. So I'm going to launch the Instagram application and copy the link of my Instagram profile. So tap on share profile over here and simply tap on copy link. Now as the link gets copied, simply go back and I'm going to launch the TikTok application right over here. So let's launch the TikTok application. Now as you launch the TikTok application, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on your profile, you can see the option of edit at the top right. So simply select on edit, and here you can see the option of links. Simply tap on links and here you can see you can add only two links, Instagram and YouTube. Simply select on Instagram or YouTube, whichever you'd want. I'm going to tap on Instagram over here, and all you need to do is simply enter your login credentials over here. You have to enter username and then password and login, and that's how you can add a clickable link to TikTok bio. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.